Hey guys, today we bring you a quick and easy Greek-inspired pita pocket recipe. To get started, you will need 6 chicken breasts and a tablespoon of cumin. And to that we added 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt or to your liking, 6 cloves of crushed garlic, the juice of a lemon, and lastly 4 tablespoons of olive oil. We also added the zest of a lemon. We recommend marinating your chicken overnight or a minimum of 4 hours. And now for our tzatziki sauce. Grate 1 large seedless cucumber. Remove all the excess water from the shredded cucumber. Once the excess moisture is removed, add 3 cups of plain Greek yogurt. To that we added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt or to your liking. You can also have this prepared the day before or 4 hours in advance. Cook your chicken on medium-low heat and slow cook if you like, that way the juices really come out. Make sure to toast or heat up your pita pocket before assembling. Once you're ready to serve, cut your pita in half. Add in lettuce of your choice, some juicy warm chicken, feta or blue cheese if you have that, and top it with our tzatziki sauce. And they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.